Okay, so let's go through this question as well, the part 2, right? So we have this f equal to y equal to fx graph, so we are asked to transform into y equal to f bracket negative mod x graph. Okay, so maybe I try your transformation first. So first, right, we use y equal to fx, then after that, we use y equal to f bracket mod x bracket. Also, I replace x by mod x. So of course, the next thing I replace the x by negative x. So if you realize one thing, because the mod is already applied already, so means you're actually doing something like this. So bracket mod negative x mod bracket. So of course at the end of the day, you are still right here already, because mod negative x will still be f bracket mod x. So this transformation does not work for this particular context. So what we can do, right, is actually like this. So for example, y equal to fx, right? So of course I start off with replace x by negative x. So this will give you y equal to f bracket negative x bracket. Then after that, right, you mod it. So you will mod it, you mod the x only. So means you replace x by mod x. So this will give you something like this. Because the negative will be outside already. You are just modding the x only. So this will be the series of transformation. Of course, how do I actually sketch the graph? Okay, so we need to do it step by step. So the very first thing is I want to replace x by negative x, right? So means you're actually multiplying all the x coordinate that you see on the graph, right, by negative. So like for example, I just give you a simple example. This thing, right, will become negative 4k comma 2. Then this thing will become negative 3k comma 0. Then this thing will become negative k comma 0, so and so forth. So it's as good as saying you are reflecting about the y-axis. So that is the very first thing to know. Of course, don't forget this thing, the asymptote also reflect, because x equal to negative 2k, right? So I do the reflection first about the y-axis, right? Okay, so first I reflect about the y-axis. So means everything must reflect. So okay, I draw the asymptote first. So I draw this y equal x equal to negative 2k. Then of course I reflect everything. So here, okay, so this part will be right here. Then after this will be right here. So this part, yeah, because this part right here, right, you must reflect. So it becomes something like this. Not very symmetrical, not very proportional. Something like this. Then after that, this will be here as well. So this part will be on the left hand side. So of course, remember to draw the landmark. So this part, something like this. I do a rough sketch because this is not the final thing. So this part will be negative 4k comma 2. Then of course, just label all the landmark. So negative 3k and negative k. So this negative k comma 0, negative 3k comma 0, so and so forth. Okay, so with this, right, I want to do the final transformation, meaning I modulus x. So if you still remember, what is the meaning of x replaced by mod x, right? It means this thing just means you keep the right hand side, you delete the left hand side. So keep the right hand side, delete the left hand side, means everything that you see here, right, you just delete away or just cross out. And then of course, not to forget to reflect whatever that you keep on the right hand side, right, by on the left hand side as well. So means at the end of the day, right, your graphs look something like this only. So for example, so this is this part. Of course, not to forget our x equal to 0 asymptote and y equal to 0 asymptote. So I reflect like this. So this will be the final graph, right? So yeah, so that's all we need to do. So the series of transformation for this will be replace x by negative x first, and then after that, right, replace your x by mod x. So this will be the final answer, right? So yeah, so that's all.